This tutorial review will show you how to fix Earth wallpaper not using location in iPhone. To solve this issue, follow these simple steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services, and enable Location Services. And then tap on Astronomy, and here make sure to enable Precise Location and select here while using the app. And that's it. This is how we can fix Earth wallpaper not using location. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.